Check. Okay. Removing everything from the chat. Okay. Starting analysis from monthly because there are too many days I didn't uh, get any session or I was not interacting with anybody because I am busy in building my home. So that's the reason I was not able to connect with you guys. Now let's start with monthly. Monthly, we had few important levels to be marked. This is previous analysis. I have posted this one. This was the important level, and this one as well because higher high, higher low, higher high created. So we were creating higher low. So previous higher high was to be tested, but unfortunately it didn't, and it went up. So they on monthly we had these two levels on below on above. We had this monthly resistance which is playing out right now, and you are looking at market that market is going down. So that's the reason this level is your reason. Once we flip it like closing above weekly candles, then we will good. But important thing will be for market is to close month above here. This is the level of 102,429. 102,429 or 430. Do it like this. Let me open it. So this is your really, really, really important level. Once we close above this level, okay, we will confirm our higher high. Like higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. This will confirm higher high. So price if came down, this will create new higher low, and it will go to continue towards higher high. So closing of weekly or monthly is really important above this level. Then market go down, no worry. But first close above here. So on month we had three levels. Down levels were this one, both untagged, and price goes up. So weekly. Now on weekly, if you see the structure-wise market structure, you will understand what is going on with market. I will remove this one and this one as well. Now, structure-wise, market created a higher high, higher low, higher high, again higher low. Now it is going towards higher high. So it is making some bullish move. The higher high are double top. Now it's we will see that decision time is near that we are creating here a double top formation in this zone, something like this, or we are making a new higher high, and then we will get back our pullback, and then we go up towards again for new higher high, something like this. This is the right now we have situation right now on the market on higher time frames. Now for bear market, this is first we had this low because this was the higher low, so this was the low we had to defend at any cost, which was at 52K. So price was there. I was like, okay, don't worry, we have our invalidation below here. But now this invalidation comes up here. Once we break down here, we will have a market structure shift on higher time frames. And if we start closing below this level and this level, both levels are now matching. So if we closes below this level now, in case in future, then we will see like okay, we are getting entered into the another phase of the market. So these two levels are really important right now. Above the level, yet this is the weekly demand created here, but I will not confirm yet this demand because we didn't close. Okay, if you see this monthly level, weekly closes above here, but previous higher high is this one. So this was the weekly resistance up here. It played out. Now it is also weekly resistance as well, so it is getting playing out right now. We will see a whole candle if closes above this will invalidate unless until we will see how this week will close up here because week high was taken out right now, so week low might be our target. but we will see. Now going upon daily and in detail analysis of the chart. What is like on a higher time frame, we see that higher high is impossible. This top same situation. Look at this one. I will show you some same situation right now happening. This bank we go up and then we come down. But one thing is not in common that this liquidity was swept out. Now on H4, if you see this bank came down, we go up, but this liquidity didn't swept. So there are chances that we might see a pump here and then come down. There are chances because 108K is on the table right now. So one thing is not in common. So that liquidity sweep, I am guessing like this. If we get liquidity sweep here, because this is our monthly level, it will take weeks to perform, or it will like 2 weeks, 3 weeks. It will take. It will take some time to get reaction. Till then, I am expecting it to sweep it here. And if we start accepting above this level, then these levels will be taken out quite fast. So this is on it on Bitcoin on higher level, higher time frame. Now this is a chop. Then we get like lower lows, uh, lower low, lower high, again lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and at this point, this was our lower high. This one I will mark it. So our structure shifted here in this zone because this was our previous lower low. We break up here, so it created us it gave us a new, like this was a lower low, a higher high, higher low, a higher high, and now higher lows in creation. So we don't know where till it higher lows will be. So invalidation of that structure would be our this one, because right now this is our previous higher low. So this level should be defended at any cost for lower time frame confirmation. Above this level we had our first daily demand. This is our daily demand. Now this is whole market structure. Now it is making higher highs. If it came down toward like these levels as well, like 96 to 94K, that's a buy zone for you. This will be the your target then, because higher low tested here. Okay, now go up higher high, create this one, and this one will be your target in future. Lose this, then we will talking about these levels again, because the way this structure shifted here, it means this will shift structure here, lower low, and then it will continue to go towards this level. But once this structure was shifted here, it means our target is this level. So it will be taken out sooner or later. Why markets are going down today? This is because of BTC dominance. BTC dominance is going up. That's why I will check it out as soon. So this is your daily demand. Now whole market structure and important levels I have marked already on my chart. Now internal levels, and we will see whether we have internal liquidities left, internal support or SR levels. We will combine with our setups to check whether we have anything important lying up here or not. First of all, this one, a resistive area here, important resistance, your important SR level as well on daily, this one as well. So our demand matches with this one. We didn't match here, but we have this crucial level here because this is SR level. So if prices came down towards this zone, we will find something here first. because this is also an important SR level. If it loses here, then demand and these level will be in talks. So we will focus on this zone now on H4. On H4 demand, this is a new demand created here. This one 8 hours. So this is your demand here. We will see any OTE zone, something like this lying up here. So 96K is really important here. This one. In future, it is crypto. Don't be like, oh, we are at above 100K and he is talking about 96K. Bro, you will wake up and prices will be here. So it's crypto and look at the chart and mark your important levels. Okay. So this is your one level on H1. Okay, we have some demands here as well. I will remove now this SR level because I found a demand here. One thing is done. Okay, this is the target. I will mark it. And this is your sell side here. So sell side and we have demand here. I will check whether I have something on. No, it's not matching here. This was the first impulse. It's matching a bit here, but not matching with higher high. Okay, so this will be your first SR flip or H2. Yes, H4, H3 showing something, H3 also showing here. So in case prices came down here, so you will have to bid in this zone. This is your zone to bid first. Because this was the SR level and we have demand as well. And if it loses this, then we have almighty demand down here in this zone. That will be your long zone for here. If someone wants to short, don't. Why? A higher time frame structure is fucking bullish. Higher high, higher low, higher high. It will create only higher low. Once it creates higher low, it will go boom like this again to create new higher high. You have to short until you don't have like we structure shifted here in this zone. Then we came up for like lower high creation and testing here. Short it. Short every bounce if your higher time structure supports you. Yes, momentum is going upside, you will go upside. Find trades for longs. You will be rewarded. But if you goes against the momentum, there are two losses you have. First is you shorted something and it pumped. You got your loss. Okay, financial loss. Second, you will be like mentally stressed. Your psychological thinking and seeing of chart will be like, oh, what happened to me? Why it going up and up and up? And you will miss this whole fucking thing. The whole run you will miss. And when it come down, you will start your psychology will be changed again. You will start catching knives. Oh, you will prices like suppose let's suppose price makes this low. Cleared this low and it creates lower low and it is going for lower high. Now you are will be like in disbelief. Okay, okay, prices are going down. I missed this whole run up. Now it's my turn, and you will wait for this SR level to test. But structure wise, it will be a bearish test here. It will come down, but you are will go to start longing here. And in this case, you will miss this whole move downside as well. So that's why going with momentum and going with the trend always remains good for mentally and psychologically. And trading is all about psychology. So don't fuck it up here. If prices are going up, look for longs. Look for longs. There were wars between Indo-Pak, Russia, Ukraine, and all these shits going on around the globe. This is unfortunately healthy for our market. We are trading like we are in that kind of market where wars and all these things supports us, because physical money came in this market. People start trusting these things. They don't trust on banks, so they put their money in crypto, in forex, in stocks. So these things on temporary they came down on, like, oh, war happened, oh, big came down, but for long term they start moving up. You look at the gold, from where it start picking up. Ukraine, yes, Russia war, it goes down weak, and Russia start attacking, gold starts going up, and it till date it is going up. On Bitcoin, right now, this is what I have, this one, and the thing which I missed on Bitcoin is this one. This little demand, I have posted this shit somewhere as well, but I didn't place bids and it cost me. Okay, don't worry. Uh, this was a demand swept, retest, and then boom. Here. This was TP missed. Again today it came, tested this demand. If someone is worrying why it is going up right now, because it tested that demand and it is now going up. Simple. Structure wise lows are swept here, and we might have a BOS here. We have our internal. If this lows were taken out, then that would be a really really healthy fit here. But these lows didn't. We have this liquidity up here. We have this liquidity as well. So there are chances that prices start moving up right now. Okay, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So it is converting into higher high, higher low formation from now on. So this is up on Bitcoin, and we have this resistance up. We have important level here. Now going on to ETH. Okay, nice bounce. Nice bounce. If you are in Discord and this one, maybe later. ETH is based when it was on 2604. I will explain this setup and then we'll go on queries. It was when everyone was scared, we longed. But before that long, I got L on dogs. No worries. So lower low, lower high. Now it is testing lower time frame. What we say, supply here. We'll see reaction here. If no good reaction, then I will cut my trade here, and we will think of, because this is your lower time frame. Let's see. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. This is a lower high. But on 3 hour time frame, I will go to this chart. Now look at this. Okay, Ethereum first. What happened to Ethereum? Oh, Ethereum fucked everyone. Ethereum actual resistance is this one. It didn't tap yet. 2819. And we broke our structure. This one. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and then this was the internal BOS. Lower low, previous lower low reclaimed here. From here it start moving up, and this is your target. For those who are in this, their target is this one. They will get out here. And we have daily supply here, but most people are getting out already. And what we have there on H4, H3 is really good than H4. Okay. A higher high created, then we got our BOS, new higher high, higher low, BOS. So higher high, higher low, BOS, higher high confirmed. At higher low, we have our demand here, H3 demand. Invalidation of this structure was closing H3 below here because that will be our MSB. And another thing which was a trap created here, a trend line breakout trap. Trend line and retailers are getting short here. Oh, we are going down, we are going down. Just below trend line, we had our demand, we tapped in it, and we are now going up. So higher time frame, it is higher high, higher low. So now target for this trade is actually this high. If trade closes above here, Ethereum closes above here, then we will have another BOS. And the way I spotted this demand, you will spot again that kind of demand here on higher low, and then you will bid, but we will see reaction here. This is important zone. If someone holding some Ethereum, this is your area where you will get out. So Ethereum is this one. I explained my this setup here. This is the setup. I explained it. This is a previous higher high. It tested that, and then boom, it's going up towards. This is actually a H4. I have I think it's H4. Yes, H4 final, what we call it a resistance. So right now it is, this is our, this will be a detail analysis, which I don't need, think so it is okay. Uh, don't need it. This was the range high. So probably those who will short here, they will be get wrecked in this zone because this range lows were tested, but range highs didn't test it, and we have these equal highs as well. So don't try to short these equal highs. So we have pending highs around 2888. So there will be maybe a good liquidation wick like this bang, and then we start moving. So it will confirm our higher high, which is good for us and good for the market. So this is it on Ethereum. On Bitcoin, I have explained a good buyback on Ethereum. It means BTC dominance. Quickly on BTC dominance, we are at resistance. It will start moving up daily, weekly. How the fucking one red line working out here? There is no magic, bro. This is a simple 0.75 pip. This one, we banged up here, started moving down, and on daily we have this trend line we broke down, and this is the high. So there are chances if prices start going down on alts like crazy and it goes up, reject here, start building your position in this zone because this is the target. Price came down on Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance dropped like 4%, and Ethereum is at 2500 $50, like for from $1,500. So if it came down here, then imagine the price of Ethereum and all like this 13%. No, Ethereum will be above 4,000, sorry. So USDT dominance is at support right now, taking support, and when it start taking supports here, it kinda be like okay. That's the reason. These two are the reason market is bleeding. So once we close down here, it will came quick here. But if it goes up, Bitcoin will be like on that daily support which I marked on Bitcoin. Bitcoin will be in that zone. Then this one, Bitcoin will be here in this one area. So yes, we still in the good zone. Other than that, today I had a long on dog. It got stopped out, and it only came down to hunt my stop. My stop was below this low. Fucking motherfucker. Here it is. I have a challenge of 500 to 5,000. Going slowly, like risking 2%, 3%. This one. It got topped out. Unfortunately, before that, we had a good. This ETH triggered right now. I closed this in like it goes up towards 2 hour and then break even. Silo stop target hit on something like 10 link it was $44 and like going slowly. XRP target hit $38 and something like this going on Discord. So this is it from my side. Now bring up your queries so I quickly check out your altcoins and if something like this. Nice, nice. When everyone's scared, just go and tag something. Okay, first query on. Virtual geometry Zelbiasha, the ETH Zelbiasha. Virtual, I have a setup on virtual. It is in my red list, and I think it got hit. Yes, I had a setup on virtual from here. ETH 2800, 20, about 2700. It is a sell zone. Start selling it. Yes, 30-minute demand it was here, and too many lows. This low, these lows, like they seems like they are swept, but these were not swept. Liquidity because this is the setup forming up here. Range, and just below range there is a demand forming up here, and prices were moving like this. Bang, 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 bang. So what happened here? Price came to demand, accept back in range, and then start moving up. So this is here. Mm, here is a range high, and this is your range low acceptance. Look at this acceptance here. Now what will happen? No, no, no. It will not give retest. It is going up. It will straight go up because too much liquidity pending here. This is a trend line. And in case bearish momentum going down, prices going down, then I have a virtual up in this zone. Then I will buy virtual here. Look at this fucking wick, man. This is a buyback. Good buyback here. So it should go now up. This one. Virtual. Virtual is good right now. It is good. If it is holding in demand, then it is good. Mm, okay, holding from nice, nice one. 0.5. Any other alt? Nairo, I have a plan on Nairo. This is my plan on Nairo. H4 demand, and if it prices came down here on Nairo, I will bang on here. Dogs. Oh, what kind of pattern is this one? If anyone wants to get in dogs, because it is under Monday low right now. It is exactly forming structure like Bitcoin. Uh, where are the key levels? Monday low here. So there are chances that a great wick filled half here at important level it retest, and once it reclaimed Monday low here, then there are chances that it is go up dogs. But I am in it, don't touch it until I am in it. And what happened to my Ethereum long? Right now, good candle man. Lower time frame structure has been shifted already. Remove these level man. How much levels? Okay. So once a good breakout here, that will lead us to at least these levels. WS tested here, good test here, still no demand form. Once we clear this, so this breaker, this will convert into a breaker. So the test of this breaker will be another long. Let's suppose change the chart. This is your right now supply here. We close above here, something like this. It went up from here, like bang here, and it when it retest here, this is another long. You will get in on Ethereum, and your stop should be somewhere here. That will be your stop, and you going to target this because this trend will be shifted like lower lows creation. These whole are lower lows creation. Yeah, so it will create like bang go up here. It will start shifting this to target this. This is on Ethereum. Any other? Okay, let me stop recording. So we will. Okay, don't worry. Dogs going up here. XRP. Nah, this is not of my top type right now. Sui. Yeah, Sui is under this level, which is important. This is a daily resistance, I guess, or something like this. Or monthly it was. Yes, it is at monthly, so ignoring this. It is at resistance. Solana, I have something on Solana as well. No, I think it is a 15-minute demand. It tapped. Look at this web. Man, I missed this trade. Yes, and now it didn't test it. Sold nothing here. Injective. Any other good chart to be keep for keeping eye on it? Pengu. Ooh, yeah, Pengu. Yesterday it bought here, somewhere here and sold on spot. This one shared with the public as well. Where the fuck is this? Here it is. But it didn't filt on perps, but it did fill on spot. Pengu. I sold it somewhere uh, from this zone to here. 17%. It was good. Now, sell side liquidity until H1 supply flip. So, there might be we can place bids like here. Top should be here. And we can target a 3 tap setup here. Like remove this one, create new one. 1 tap, 2 tap. Where is the retest? Go for retest. after sweeping this liquidity here. And right now it will come here. And another idea on Pengu is this one that look at this zone. If it accept above this level, then enter manually on it, and stop should be somewhere below here and target it. Keep 1 to 238. This is exact limit 2 to 38. This will be your exact limit order here. If you wanna keep limit order here, you can. And if you think like, okay, I will wait for here if the prices give some support here, okay, support, reclaim this level, okay, and then jump in it. This is Pengu here and Mandelu as well. So Mandelu will be swept as well. You can target above level as well. Then other than that, I don't think so, or I don't have anything on my radar right now, except from Ethereum, which is at supply right now. I will update it in Discord once I close it here in my session. In my corner, if you don't have a role, take roles here. And once I closed, I will update up here in Discord. And for today, that's enough. I think. Any question, anything else? Hopefully, you guys understand Bitcoin structure and all that shit. Nice BOS on Bitcoin, man. Liquidity hunted beautifully. BOS here, internal BOS. Now this is your target. 3 tap here. I will keep eye on Bitcoin. If I found something interesting on Bitcoin, I am going to share here in Discord. Nice, nice, nice Bitcoin move. Look at these dogs. Everything going up and dogs going down because I am in it. तुम पियो तो गंगा जल है ये. If Ethereum goes up, it will follow it. Ethereum is trying its best to go up here. Okay, guys, for today, it's enough. If I see anything good or good setup forming or any exclusive activity came up in market, I will just came live again and will upload this video as well for learning purpose on my YouTube channel. I will share link there as well. Thank you for tuning till end. See you in next what we say meeting. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.